table are given, and different seasons of the TV series, season 1, season 2, and season 3 and season 4 are given, and town A and town B are given. And in town A, out of the total number of viewers watching the season 1, the number of male viewers are how much? 150, and percentage of female viewers are 40%. Suppose total viewers you are consider 100%. Out of 100%, females are 40%. Remaining 60% are male viewers are not. Okay, 60% value is how much? 150. 60% or 150 means then 10%. 60% 150. 25, then 40%, 100. What is the 60% value? 150. What is the 10% value? 25. 32 times 30, how many times? 5 times. Then every 2% equal to 5 means what is the 1% value? 2.5. Okay. Then in season 1, what are the male viewers? Season 1, town A, male viewers are 150 and female viewers are 100 members. Next, season 2, what are the male viewers are given? 165. Then female viewers, 45% are female means remaining 55% are male. In place of 55%, 165 are given. It is 3 times or only 1 time? 3 times. Then 45 3 times how much? 135. In season 3, male viewers and female viewers, and 48 are female means remaining 52% are male. 52% and 208, almost how many times? 4 times or not? Male are 208, then female are 48 into 3 times or not? 144 or not? 52 how many times? 4 times or not? 48 4 times, 192 or not? 192. Next, season 4, what are the male viewers? 105. Next, female viewers are 70%. 70% means remaining 30% are male. 30% 105. What is the 10%? 35. 10% 35. 70%. 7 into 35. 7 into 35 how much? 245. Those are in town A or town B? Town A. Next, town B, what are the male viewers? 96 members. Then female viewers are given 52%. 52% are female means remaining 48% male. 48% 96. Then 52% are 104. Next, 60% are female means remaining 40% are male. What is the 40% value? 60. Then every 1%, 1.5. Then 60%, 90. Next, male members are 175. 30% female means remaining 70% are male. 70% 175. Then every 1%, 2.5. Then 30%, 75. 70% 175. Okay. 7 10 times, 7 how many times? 25 times. 10% 25. Then 30%, 75. Next, in season 4, what are the male viewers? 144. Female are 64% means male members are 36%. 36 how many times? 4 times. Then 64 4 times, 256. This is the data town A and town B. In 4 seasons or only 1 season? 4 seasons. What is the first question? What is the average number of viewers, both male and female, of seasons 1 and 3 in town A? Only town A season 1 and season 3. What is the season 1 town A total members? 250. Next, season 3 total members 400. 250 plus 400, 650. Average means divide by 2. 650 divided by 2, 325. Question number 62. What is the respective ratio in the total number of female viewers of season 1 and season 4 together in town A and total number of female viewers of same seasons together in town B? Female in season 1, town A. What is the female in season 1? 100. And season 4, 245 or not? Total is how many members? 345. Next, female viewers of the same seasons in town B. Season 1 how much? 104. Season 4 256. Total it is 360 or not? What is the difference between 345 and 360? 15 or not? 15 how many times? 345. 15 twos again 3 times or not? If it is 23 times compared to 23 times, one time more or less? More. It will be 24 times. 15 difference means one time or more or not? Next 23 is to 24. Next question number 63. What is the percentage increase in the number of female viewers in town B from season 3 to season 4? Female town B. What is the female in town B? Season 3 or season 4? Season 3 to season 4. Increased or decreased? Increased. 75 becomes 256. How much value are increased? 118 or 181. That is calculated on 75 multiplied by 100. We are get the percentage or 25 3 times, 25 4 times or 3 almost 60 times or 60.33 are getting or 60.3 into how many times? 4 times. 4 into 60 240. Then answer will be more than 240 but nearby 240 or not? But 4 into 0.33 means it is more than one time but less than 2 times or not? Then answer 241.33 or not? 0.33 means we written 1 by 3 or not? Multiplied by 4 times we are getting 1 by 3 or not? Next question number 64. The number of viewers both male and female of season 5 is increased by 10% and 12% as compared to the previous seasons in town A and B respectively. What was the total number of viewers of season 5 in both the towns together or not? And here season 5 compared to season 4, total members are, one will be 10% increased, another one 12% are increased. In season 4, male and female in town A, total how many members? 350 or 350. In this one, how much percent are increased? 10%. What is the 10% of 350? 35. After adding, it will be 385 or not? Next, season 4, town B, total how many members? 400 or not? Out of 400, how much percent are increased? 12%. What is the 12%? 48 or not? 400 plus 48, 448 or not? Both are adding end with 3 or not? Which option? Only one or not? Next 65. The total number of male viewers of season 1 in both the towns together is what percent more than the total number of male viewers of season 2 in both the towns together or not? Male of season 1. What is the male of season 1 in town A? 150. And male of town B? 96. 150 plus 96? 246. And season 2 male members. Season 2 male members in town A? 165. Male members in town B? 60. 165 plus 60? 225 or not? Percentage more or value more? Percentage more. Value wise how much value are more? 21. 21 upon 225 multiplied by 100. We are get the percentage or not? What is the denominator? 22.5. What is the 10% of 22.5? 22.5. Numerator value nearby 22.5 or not? Then percentage also nearby 10%. What is the nearest value? 9 1 by 3 or not? Next question number 41. Question number 41. 152% of 524 plus 8.52, that is equal to what percent of 1400 minus 427? Okay. First 152% of which one? 524. 152% means 100%, 50%, again 2% or not? Yes or no? What is the 100%? 524. 50%, 262 or not. Again, how much percent we need? 2%. 1%, 5.24. 2%, 10.48 or not. Adding or subtracting? Adding. First 24 plus 62, 86 plus 10 means 96 or not. Okay. Next 5 plus 2, 7. It will be 796.48. That's 796.48 plus how much value you are adding? 8.52. 0.52 plus 0.48. 1 or not. Okay. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 796. 805 or not. 805. It is added to which one? 427. After adding 427, it will become 1232 or 1232. That is equal to something into 14 or, because right hand side percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. Then 14 how many times? 1232. 14 8s are how much? 112. What is the remaining? Again 112 or how many times? 8 times or. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ దాకా చేశాక 1 2 3 2 11 మల్టిపుల్ అని చెక్ చేస్తే ఓకే, వాట్ ద ఆన్సర్? 88. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 42. One is numerator, another one denominator. Simply we are say one is numerator, another one denominator. Numerator, how many decimal values? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Numerator 7. Denominator 2 plus 4, 6 or not. Okay, then answer. Divide by 10 means it will be multiplied by 10 or numerator how many decimals? 7. Denominator 6. Then answer, divide by 10 or multiplied by 10? Divide by 10 or not. Okay, first what are the numerator remaining values? 3 1 108 divide by 18 multiplied by 2 or not. 18 2s are how much? 36. 36 almost 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Then 9 is divided by 10 or not. What is the answer? 0.9. Question number 43. 1.9 it multiplied by 23.5. 23.5 means it is written as 23 and half or not. Okay, means first one 23 times, again half time are required or not. Okay, 19 directly we know the 19th table, the question are easy. 19 5s are how much? 95. 5 written, 9 carry or not. 19 3s are how much? 57 plus 9, 66. 6 written, 6 carry or not. 19 2s are how much? 38 plus 6, 44. 1.9 1 decimal, 23.5 1 decimal. Then overall we return 44.65 plus 18 into 9.25 or not. 18 5s are how much? 90. 0 return, 9 carry. 18 2s are how much? 36 plus 9, 45. 5 return, 4 carry or not. 18 9s are how much? 162 plus 4, 166. Then it is 16650 and it will be written 116.650 plus how much value you are adding? 233.25. Okay, what are the last 3 digits of first value? 650. Second value also 650. Total it is 1300. 1300 plus 250, 1550 or not. Then last 3 digits are 550 or not. Which option? Only one or not? Actually it is not 650, it is 650 or not. 650 plus 650, 1300. 1300 plus 250, 1550 or not. End with 550. Only one option or not. Next question number 44. Verify the last 2 digits. 0.04 plus 72, 76. 76 minus 16, 60. End with 60 or not. How many options? only 1 or not. Next 45. First priority square root of 169. How much? 13. Square root of 784. 28. That is 13 by 28 minus square root of 36. 6 by square root of 196. 14. 6 by 14. It is also written as 12 by 28. 12 by 28. 13 minus 12. 1. 1 by 28. It is numerator or denominator? Numerator. For the second term in denominator, square root of 81 by 256. Square root of 81 means 9. Square root of 256 means 16. This one we return 1 by 28 divided by 9 by 16. This one we return 1 by 28 into 16 by 9. 4 times 4 7 times. Then answer 4 by 63. Next question number 46. First priority left hand side value 9 how many times? 747. 9 8 the 72. Remaining 27. How many times? 3 times or 83 plus 62. 145. 5 how many times? 145. 2 9 or 29. 47. First priority left hand side value 9% of which one? 150 or the 10%? 15. 1%? 1.5. 15 minus 1.5. 13.5 plus 12% of 200 means percentage 2 zeros cancel. 12 2 how much? 24 minus 40. Right hand side negative 16 becomes positive 16 and 24 plus 16 40. Negative 40 positive 40 cancel. What is the remaining value? 13.5. Next question number 48. 11 how many times? 33. 3 times. 13 how many times? 3 times. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 or not? Next question number 49. 11 4s how much? 44. 44 means divide by 22. We are getting 2 times or not? 4 3s how much? 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 2. 26. Next question number 50. 12 3s are how much? 36. Into 6 means 216 plus what is the 9 square? 81. Both are adding or subtracting? Adding. End with 7. Only one option. Next question number 51. First priority left hand side bracket value. What is the 3 square? 9. 6 square? 36. 36 plus 9. 45 plus 48. 93. 3 how many times? 93. 31. అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ లాస్ట్ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ లాగా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది కదా. 41 క్వశ్చన్ లాగా అయితే అస్సలు వద్దు మనకి. 41 42 లాగా అయితే వద్దు. 43 లాగా 41 42 43 అవి కొంచెం టైం టేకెన్. రిమైనింగ్ అన్నీ ఈజీ కదా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 52. 4 into half 2. 12 into 2 and half 12 2 how much? 24. 12 into half 6. Total it is 30. 2 plus 30 32. Right hand side negative, it will become left hand side positive. Total it is 62. Next 53. First priority left hand side 27 3 how much? 81. Then answer more than 81 or not? Okay. Plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 cancel. Next 81 plus 1 how much? 82. What is the right hand side value? 125 square, but left hand side all the values are 5 power something or not? Okay, first 125 square also converted to 5 power something or not? 125 means 5 power 3, already power 2, overall it is 5 power 6 or not? Okay, left hand side 5 power 5, right hand side 5 power 6, then question mark equal to 1 or not? Next 55. What is the 10% of 140? 14. 30% of 90 means 2 zeros are cancelled. 3 nines are 27 plus Square root of 121, 11. 20 into 11, 220 or 220. 14 plus 220, 234 minus 27, 207. Next question number 56. In a bag, question number 56. In a bag there are in all 84 currency notes in the denomination of 20 rupees and 100 rupees only. If the total amount of all these currency notes is 4,800, how much amount is there in the bag in the denomination of 20 rupees? We required amount of 20 rupee notes are. First we need to identify the number of notes of 20 rupees denomination. Okay, first total how many notes are there? 84 notes. All the 84 notes we are consider 100 notes. Okay, what is the total amount we are getting? 8,400. But actually we are getting how many rupees? 4,800. How much value are more getting? 3,600. What is the actually each one note? 100 rupees. But 20 rupees note means only 20 rupees or not? Compared to 20, 100 is how many rupees are more? 80 more or not? If one denomination 80 rupees are more, then 3,600 rupees is more for how many units are not? 80 how many times? 0, 0 cancel. 8 how many times? 45 times or not? Means how many 20 rupee notes? 45 notes or not? 45 notes. Every note is how many rupees? 20 rupees. Then 45 notes means how many rupees? 45 into 20. How many rupees? 900 rupees or not? Okay. By using reverse method, if we require number of 20 rupee notes means, then we are consider all are in 100 rupees notes or not? All the 84 notes we are consider 100 rupees notes. How much amount we are getting? 8,400. But actual amount are given 4,800. How much value are extra getting? 3,600. Means compared to 20, 100 rupees, how many rupees are more? 80 more or not? Per unit 80 rupees are more. Then 3,600 is more for how many units? 45 units are not. Means how many 20 rupee notes are there? 45 are not. Every note is 20 rupees. 45 notes are 900 rupees are not. Question number 57. Only two candidates A and B were contesting in a village election. 70% of the registered voters could cast their votes. A received 65% of the total number of votes cast. If the difference between the number of votes received by A and B is how much? 3822. What is the number of registered voters in the villager? Suppose total number of registered voters in the village we are consider 100%. Out of 100%, how much percent are casting their votes? 70% or not? Okay. In that 70%, A received how much percent? 65%. Means out of 70, A received 65%. A received 65 means B received how much? 35% or not? B received how much? 35. Don't say 5%. Because casting votes we are consider how much? 100%. In that 65, A received. Remaining 35%, B received. What is the difference between A and B? 30% or not? 30% of which one? 70% or not? What is the 30% of 70%? 21%. That 21% equal to how many votes are given? 3822 or not? But we require total votes. How much percent we need? 100% or not? 21. 21 ones are how much? 21. What is the remaining value? 17. 172 or not? 21 almost 8 times or not? Again 2 times or not? Then answer 18,200. Or verify the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits are verification, 2 possibilities are not. Okay. What is the left hand side units position? 1. Right hand side units position? 2. Possibility 2 times or not? End with 200. How many options? 2 options or not? Next question number 58. 2 taps A and B can fill a tank in 18 hours and 24 hours respectively. Initially only tap A was open and after 5 hours tap B was also open. How long did it take to fill the tank or not? Here starting to ending which one are open? A is open. After 5 hours, which one are joined? B joined or not? Suppose B also working for first 5 hours. B also open for first 5 hours. The total tank are filled by both the pipes or only one pipe? Both the pipes. First 5 hours also B is open. The tank capacity will be increased or decreased? Increased. What is the LCM of 18, 24? 72. Total tank capacity is how many liters? 72 liters or not? 18 how many times? 4 times. 24 3 times or not? Means what is the per hour capacity of a second pipe? 3 liters or not? What is the per hour capacity of a second pipe? 3 liters. It is open for how many hours? 5 hours. 3 5 is how much? 15 or not? What is the actual tank capacity? 72. First 5 hours also B is open. The tank capacity will be increased or decreased? Increased. 72 plus 15. Total 87. That 87 are filled by both the pipes or only one pipe? Both the pipes. What is the together efficiency? 700. Then we return 87 by 7. We are get the total time of both the pipes or not? 7 how many times? 12 times or not? What is the remaining value? 3. 3 by 7. Which option? Fifth option or not? What is the normal procedure? First 5 hours work of A is subtracting, then remaining are filled by both the pipes or not? Again, we are adding first 5 hours plus remaining time. We are get the 12 3 by 700. Or else simply we return reverse method. Okay. Suppose first 5 hours also B is open. The tank capacity will be increased or decreased? Increased. Every hour 3 liters are added. 5 hours 15 liters are added. Already 72 plus 15 means 87. That 87 are filled by both the pipes or only one pipe? Both the pipes. Next question number 59. If the total price of 18 shirts and 16 trousers is how much? 6128. What is the total price of 63 shirts and 56 trousers are not? I think 18 and 63 directly proportional. How many times? 18 3s are 54 or not? Compared to 54 9 more or not? Means almost 3.5 times or not? Next 16 3s are how much? 48. Half of the 16 8. It is also 3.5 times or not? Left hand side 3 times 3.5 times means right hand side also 3.5 times or not? Then we return 6128. It is multiplied by 3.5. 3.5 means 7 by 2 or not? Multiplied by 7 by 2. 2 how many times? 3 0 6 4 or not? 3064 multiplied by 7. End with 8. How many options? 3 options or not? Okay. 7 4s are how much? 28. 8 return 2 carry or not? 7 6 are 42. Plus 2 means 48. End with 48. Only one option or not? Next question number 60. If a sum of money double itself in how many years? 7 years. What will be the approximate rate of interest per annum or not? A sum will become double or triple? Double. Means principal are 100%. Amount will be 200%. Interest are 100%. That 100% interest received in how many years? 7 years. 7 years interest are 100%. Per annum interest 100% divided by 7 or not? 7 how many times? 14 times. What is the remaining? 2 by 7. 14 2 by 7%. Which option? Third option or not? (31). The denominator of a fraction is 7 more than its numerator, and both the numerator and denominator is increased by how much? 3. The fraction becomes how much? 2 by 3. What is the value of 3 by 11th of the original fraction? Required original fraction or 3 by 11th of the original fraction? 3 by 11th of the original fraction. If you required original fraction, first verify the options or not. But here we required 3 by 11th of which one? Original fraction. First we need to identify the original fraction. In that 3 by 11 value is answer or not? And here denominator compared to numerator, how much value are more? 7 more. Suppose numerator are a, then denominator a plus 7. Then a by a plus 7 original fraction or not? Okay, and the numerator and denominator are increased by how much? 3. The numerator is increased by 3 means a plus 3. Denominator also increased by 3 means a plus 10. That is equal to how much fraction? 2 by 3. Just cross multiplication. 3 into a, 2 into a. Difference is a. 3 3 is how much? 9. 10 2 is 12. Difference is 3 or not? 12 and 9 difference 3. A value are 3. A by a plus 7 means 3 by 10 or not? 3 by a how much? 3 into a, 3a. 2 into a, 2a. What is the difference? A. 3 3 is how much? 9. 10 2 is 20. Difference is how much? 11. A value are how much? 11. Then fraction 11 by which one? 18 or 11 by 18. In this one how much fraction we need? 3 by 11. 11 11 cancel or 3 by 18 how much? 1 by 6. Next question number 32. Set A contains 6 consecutive odd numbers and their average is how much? 38. Set B contains 6 consecutive even numbers and the lowest number of set B is 27 more than the highest number of set A. What is the average of the numbers in set B? First, set A contains 6 consecutive odd numbers or even numbers? Odd numbers. 6 consecutive odd numbers, average are 38. Means that average also equal to middle 2 numbers average or not? What is the middle 2 numbers average? 38. Those middle 2 numbers are 37 and 39 or not? 6 numbers average means it is in between value of third position and fourth position or not? In between value it is 38, then third position are 37 and fourth one are 39. And what is the next number of 39? 41. Next one 43. Set B 6 consecutive even numbers or odd numbers? Even numbers. And what is the condition are given? Set B, the lowest number of set B is 27 more than the highest number of set A. What is the set A highest number? 43. Compared to this one, 27 more or 27 less? 27 more. Means set B lowest number 70. What is the next even number? 72. Next one 74. Next one 76. 76. What is the question here? Average of numbers in set B. Set B 6 numbers are not. Average means it is also in between third position and fourth position. In between value are 75 or not. Don't say 38 plus 27, it is 75. Okay. 38 plus 27, it is how much? 65. కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో చేసి మనకి క్వశ్చన్స్ మల్టిపుల్ అలవాటు చేసి అవి రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 65 వచ్చింది, ఆప్షన్లో 65 కనబడితే అదే ఆన్సర్ పెట్టొస్తాం. అది ప్రిలిమ్స్కి ఓకే, కానీ మెయిన్స్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు డిసైడింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కదా. ప్రిలిమ్స్ అయితే ఓన్లీ క్వాలిఫైయింగ్ నేచరే కదా, మెయిన్స్ డిసైడింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనుకుంటా. ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని చేస్తేనే మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి, అవునా? ప్రిలిమ్స్లో నీకు 95 వచ్చినా దేనికన్నా ఉపయోగమా? లేదు. 65 కట్ ఆఫ్ ఉంది, నీకు 67 వచ్చాయి, ఎనఫ్ కదా. 65 కట్ ఆఫ్ ఉంది, నీకు 99 వచ్చాయి, దేనికన్నా ఉపయోగమా? అదే మెయిన్స్లో అయితే 65 కట్ ఆఫ్ ఉంది, నీకు 67 వస్తే జాబ్ ఉంటుందా లేదా? అవకాశం ఉంటుందా లేదా? మెయిన్స్, ప్రిలిమ్స్ కాదు. 65 కట్ ఆఫ్, నీకు 67 వచ్చాయి, కొంచెం హోప్ అన్నా ఉంటుందా లేదా? 65 కట్ ఆఫ్, నీకు 64.5 వచ్చాయి, అప్పుడు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? అది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 33. Of the two numbers, 6 times the smaller one is greater than the 5 times of the larger one by 10. If the sum of the numbers is greater than the 10 times their difference by 27. What is the larger number or smaller number? Larger number. How many numbers are there? 2 numbers. One is larger number, another one smaller number. Suppose larger number we are consider A, smaller number we are consider B. Larger number are A and smaller number are B. We required larger number means we required A value or B value? A value. First 6 times the smaller one. 6 times the smaller one means 6 times of bigger, and it is greater than the 5 times of the larger one by 10 or not. 5 times of the larger one means 5 times of which one? A or not. Compared to this one, 10 greater or not. Plus 10 or minus 10? Plus 10. Then 6b equal to how much? 5a plus 10 or not. It is first condition. Or the second condition, if the sum of the numbers means a plus b or not? A plus b is greater than the 10 times their difference by how much? 27. 10 times their difference means what is the difference between those two numbers? A minus b or not? A minus b. A difference will be how many times are taken? 10 times. 10 times of their difference, how much value are greater? 27 greater or not? Plus 27 or minus 27? Plus 27. A plus b equal to 10 times of which one? A minus b plus 27. How many linear equations? 2 linear equations or not? Solving those 2 linear equations, we are get the a comma b individual values or not? Okay. What the options are given? 59, 55, 62, 43, 55. All the options are larger numbers or smaller number? Required largest number means all the options are A values or B values? A values. Suppose A value, first option 59 we are taken. Okay. What is the right hand side value in first equation? 5a plus 15. 5 into 59 end with 5 plus 10 or not? 5 or not? That 5 is exactly divisible by 6? No. Means first option possible? No or not? 59 into 5 means we are get the units position 5. It is added to 10 means we are get the again units position 5. That 5 is divided by 6. 6 into something end with 5 means b value 6 multiple 6b equal to how much? 59 into 5 plus 10. This total value is exactly divisible by 6? No. First option possible? No. Next, what is the second option? 55. 55 into 5 means end with 5 plus 10 means again end with 5. That 5 end with 5 value is exactly divisible by 6? No. Next, what is the third option? 62. 62 into 5 end with 0 plus 10. Maybe divisible by 6 or not? 62 into 5 means how much? 310 plus 10 means how much? 320 or not? That 320 is exactly divisible by 6? No or not? Okay, means third option also not possible. What is the next one? 43. 43 into 5 means end with 5 plus 10 means end with 5. It is exactly divisible by 6? No. What is the last option? 52 or not? 52 into 5, how much? 260. 260 plus 10, 270. 270 is divisible by 6? Yes. 6 4 the how much? 24. Remaining 30. Means it is exactly divisible by 6 or not? Means answer is 52 or remaining options? 52. Means A value are 52, then B value 45 or not? Right hand side value must be divisible by which one? 6 or not? Only one option is possible or not? Then B value, A value is how much? 52. Next question number 34. Varun invested a certain sum of money in scheme A for how many years? 4 years. After 4 years, he accrued a simple interest of 5280 at the rate of interest being 3% or more or less? More. How much more interest he could have accrued in 4 years? Or not? Suppose, what is the time period in first case? 4 years. But rate of percent are unknown or not? Okay. Suppose rate of percent we are consider R%. Time period are 4 years. What is the interest value? 4R% or not? 4R% of certain principal equal to how many rupees? 5280 or not? 5280. It is first case interest or not? And second one, at the rate of interest being 3% more. Means per annum how much percent are more interest? 3% or per annum 3% or more. In 4 years how much interest are more? 12%. 12% interest is calculated on principal or amount? Principal. 12% of principal value. 12% of same principal or different principal? Same interest. What is the question here? How much more interest it could have occurred in 4 years? Means we required extra interest. How much percent are extra getting? 12%. Means we require 12% of same principal or different principal? Same principal. Okay. And in first one, how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. Second one, 1 unknown. Suppose both the cases P are cancelled. Again, R is unknown. Then it is cannot be determined. If we required extra interest means definitely we know the principal value or not. But here principal is given or not given? Not given. And one more rate of interest also not given or not? Suppose rate of percent are given. Per annum rate of percent 8% are given. 4 8 is how much? 32. Means 32% value is how much? 5280. Second case, per annum how much percent are extra interest? 3%. In that case, directly we are getting 32% value is how much? 5280. We required how much percent? 12% or not? But here rate of percent are unknown. Principal also unknown. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns or not? Then answer cannot be determined. Next question number 35. A boat can cover 4 kilometers upstream in how many minutes? 16 minutes. If the speed of the stream is 2.5 kilometer per hour, how much distance in kilometers can the boat cover downstream in 4 hours? First of all, what the upstream distance are given? 4 kilometers. It is covered in how many minutes? 16 minutes. What is the relation between 16 and 4? 1 by 4 or 1 by 4. Speed means per hour value or per minute value? Per hour value. Per hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes or not? In 16 minutes it is covered 4 kilometers means in 60 minutes how much distance are covered? 15 kilometers or not? It is 1/4 relation means in 60 minutes also 1/4 relation or not? What is the 1/4 of 60? 15 or not? Means down upstream how much distance are covered in 60 minutes? 15 kilometers or not? Means per every hour how many kilometers are traveled? 15 kilometers or not? Then upstream speed m minus s, it is equal to how much? 15 kilometer per hour or not? What the speed of the stream is given? 2.5 kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream are 2.5. Then speed of the boat are 17.5 or not? What is the question here? How much distance can the boat cover downstream in how many hours? 4 hours. Downstream distance means downstream speed into time. 17.5 plus 2.5. 20 into how many times? 4 times or not? 24 the 80 or not? Any other questions?